Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider,
showing you how to remove the background of a video and change the background to another photo as background or to another video as a background. We will be using CapCut for this. CapCut is an open source free app to download. Here is the website to download it. You will see it here, CapCut Desktop. Find your way to download it for free, install it on your device, and let's jump into this video tutorial. Here in CapCut, you open a new project, and of course, the first thing you will need to do is to import the media files, which will be the video you want to work on. Here is the video I will be working on, and you also need to import the backgrounds you want to be using. So I'll be importing all these now. Just a quick preview. Here is the main video, which I will be removing its background, and here is a photo background I will put behind it. And here is another photo background, and I will also be using another video as the background for this main video. So let's get to work very quickly. In the main timeline, what will be on the main timeline will be the backgrounds that we want to be using. So here I will drag this background here to the main timeline. I will need to drag this one as well to the main timeline, and of course I will need to put the video as well. All these three elements will be the backgrounds that I'll be using for this just one video. In your case, it can be only one background. You don't have to use three or multiple backgrounds. Yours can just be only one. But I just want to show you that as it works for image, at the same time it works for video as a background for the main video that you're working on. So now that we have the backgrounds ready, the next is to drag the main video on top of this in the timeline. So we drag the main video and put it at the top. So the next thing is I will need to quickly make some adjustments to make sure that all these fit into the length of this video. Now that I have adjusted the length of the background to be the same length with the video, the next is for me to remove the background of this video now. So to do that, select the main video and come to these tabs here. Under video, you see basic, and next to it you see cutout. Click on cutout. Under cutout, you see chroma key. Chroma key is for the video if it is a green screen video, but in this case, this is not a green screen video, so we will not use chroma key. Come down here to select auto cutout. Click on it, and you can see right here is processing. Look at it right there. Now you can drag to adjust the size the way you want it, or you go back to basic tab and adjust the scale the way you want it. You may want to learn how to do this in your CapCut mobile app in your phone. I will show you how to do that in this video right here. Thank you for watching.